invoked function, that is IIFE. So as the name suggests, this kind of function can be run immediately. Let's take an example. Traditionally, you will declare a function like this, my first function, right? And then you will have some logic here. And then to run this function, you will do my first function with braces after it. So this actually runs this function. But what if I enclose a function like this within a set of braces? So I just say function, my second function, and I write some logic here. It can be anything. Say let y is equal to 5 and console log y. And once I declare it, I run it immediately. So like this one, I just have the function within these brackets and then I run it. This is what an immediately invoked function is. You may ask, why do we need it? So one of the advantages is, if you observe, this function won't impact any other code, right? And it's actually memory efficient. So you can prevent memory leaks also. Whatever stays here runs and that's it. It's gone. It's popped off. You can also do like return a value from an IP, like you can say let z is equal to this function. Once you run it, the value comes in the variable z. So you may be returning, say, some value y from here. So this will come in z. This is another way of doing IP.